This is the palette knife. This is the fill palette knife. And we're just going to pick a dark blue color. Oops. Trying to figure out how come I've got such a tiny palette knife. There. Okay, we're just going to scrub in some color here. Now you see that automatically makes a thick paint layer. So this is, like I said, just going to be simple, nothing too complicated. Now we're going to take the blender and we're going to pull that color out. Now you notice that that also smooths out the palette knife stroke, which I think is, I just love this brush. Oh no, here I go again. But this really reminds me of the way it used to, the way they used to do this, where they would pull the paint down to wherever they wanted it. Okay. We can, this layer right there, I can just remove that. Or I could have put it up above because we're going to need another layer anyway sometime. And we'll go back and blend that layer. Okay. I'm just using light pressure again and just running the brush back and forth in the same direction as what I had pulled the paint down. That gives it a nice misty effect. Okay, there that is. See, now there's a separate layer for the blend, as you can see. Let's go ahead and call that mountain. And we can call that blend. We'll know what it is then. And it'll make another layer again for the detail. Let's go up and pick a light color, nearly white, and make the brush a little smaller this time. And I'm just going to start dragging paint down. If you have rotation on your brush, you can make this easier for you. Let's get a darker color. We'll fill in a, let's see, I need to change my angle. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll come back and I'll change my angle in a second. I'll do all of these that I can go this way with. Okay. Now we'll choose a darker color and put it in at this angle. Just light pressure and letting it just come off of the knife. Real simple and easy. Okay, now we want to blend the bottom of those. I'm just using light pressure. You can use heavier pressure. It'll go a little faster, but I like just to take my time, blend that all in, straight back and forth across. Okay, there's that. Looking real nice so far.